Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove a comment on Facebook. So start, I will show you step by step how to do it. You may leave like and subscribe and share to others, my friends. And now how to remove. First what you need to do is found your comment which you need to remove. Yes, okay, so I will do it. My comments is here. Okay, I did it. And how it remove? You need you must put on here on him cursor like this, and then it will show you three dots. You have here three dots. You now click on this, and you here have option like delete. As you can see, delete comment. You have question, are you sure you want to delete this comment? We click on yes, and we did it. As you can see, it's working. That's it working. Again, three dots, delete, and we did it. So that's all. Thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.